Hi, my name is William French, and I'm going to focus on the Chisholm Trail Homeowner Association organization. First thing is values. They have integrity and member experience. One, integrity. Integrity is something that they have a strong value in. They want everyone to be truthful. That is the idea of this association, that everyone does their part and speaks the truth. Members' experience. They want everyone who's a part of the team of the association to have a good experience and that there's no disagreements as possible. Norms, they all do a consistent decision making. In their bylaws, one of them is that they have to have a consensus decision making, which means everyone has to agree. If there is a disagreement, they stop what they're doing and they hold off on the argument and they revisit later why they had that person go do some research. Second, all members present. People that are on the board of the homeowner association all must be there for a final decision can be made. Leaders reinforce the values of the norms. Adjourn. In their bylaws, they do have, if someone couldn't meet because of a situation or emergency, they could let, if there's 3 members or less, they can choose to go on with their meeting. But their norm is to always adjourn the meeting and reschedule when it's available. And this is true because I have been part of the team, and sometimes when they have their meetings, it can fall on a holiday. And they're like, oh, we didn't realize that this is Valentine's weekend or it's Super Bowl weekend. And they will reschedule when all of them are able to meet. The new employee socialize. Well, guess what? There's a welcome committee on the board. And their job is when there is a new home buyer that buys in that association, they will go meet the person, welcome them to the association, let them know that there are dues that need to be paid for the association that keep up their property values. Let them know that there is a meeting that they can attend to, and if they would like to be part of the organization, let them know that there's a process. Companies' culture have a say. Well, as I said, homeowners, guess what? They have a say what they can do. They're more than welcome to come to one of the meetings and tell them how they feel. You have a say. They want everyone to feel like that the money that they get, it's not being used the wrong way. They want you to come, listen to what we're talking about, and let them have understanding. How behavior influences the effectiveness. Do your part and do payments. Everyone has a part to play into. The association has a job to make sure that people's house property value goes up. They make sure that the area of the association it stays clean. Make sure the roads get done. But as number 2 says, do payments. If the homeowners don't pay the association dues, they cannot keep up the property values. They can't keep their association looking clean. Everyone has a part to play. And on the bottom, these are my sources: personal experience, interviews with the organization, homeowner bylaws, and I use Google Images for my things of pictures.